Okay, this dish is done, guys. We're gonna taste it and try it out. Oh yeah.
Cooking channel.
All right, let's cook, Miles.
Savory.
All right.
Tasty.
How about the chicken feet?
Recipe.
Good night.
Anytime.
Bye. Hello, early.
Always enjoy life to the fullest.
You enjoy my cooking channel.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to another episode of Panlasa ni Tisoy. So tonight I'm making asparagus with mushrooms. So ingredients for this dish are 3 packages of asparagus, 2 packages of shiitake mushrooms. We have oyster sauce, we have soy sauce, we have avocado oil or any oil that you guys would like to use. And I have 4 pieces of chicken breast. So let's do this. So I chopped a whole onion. I minced 5 cloves of garlic, and I chopped the mushrooms, the 2 bags of mushrooms. Chopped the asparagus like so. And lastly, I chopped up the chicken into cubes or strips. On a heated pot, pour your oil. I'd say about a tablespoon and a half of oil. Saute our onion first. And we put it on the side. And next is our garlic. Saute our garlic. And mix them together. Now we're gonna cook our chicken.
Teaches me patience, strengthens my faith. I won't take for granted the gifts in my hands. Through highs and lows, I'll always.
Then we're gonna add some ground pepper. Sorry, I forgot to mention this in our ingredients, but there has to be ground pepper in there, just for flavor. Now I'm gonna put some soy sauce, and we're gonna put oyster sauce. Now we're gonna add some water, guys. So let's start with a whole cooking spoon. Maybe we'll make it 2. There you go. So now we're gonna add the mushrooms. I think I'm gonna have to add some more water. Yep. We'll make that 2. So 4 cooking spoons. And since we added some water, guess what? We're gonna add some more oyster sauce. Yeah, about another teaspoon of oyster sauce. And some more soy sauce. Remember, whenever you add water, the flavor changes, so you have to add. So that's about a teaspoon of soy sauce. So we're gonna let that mushroom cook for a little while. So let's check this out. Perfect. So now we can add the last ingredient, which is the asparagus. And we're gonna let that simmer and cook for a little while. Probably 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, check this out. Ooh, that looks good. think it's ready. Wow. All right. Okay, this dish is done, guys. We're gonna taste it and try it out. Hi guys, so we're gonna try this out. I'm gonna get a mushroom first. It's good. Tastes like meat. Asparagus. Very good. Chicken. Wow. That's pretty good, guys. So that's how you make asparagus with mushroom and chicken with oyster sauce and soy sauce. Anyways, enjoy life, live life to the fullest, be grateful for the blessings you have, and you can see, enjoy the beauty of the city or wherever you're at. Thank you. Maraming salamat po and aloha.